Hello and welcome to episode number 2 of Learning English with Dr. D. Alright, in episode 1 we had I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, I like coffee or I like tea, or I watch TV, and so on. Today you will learn to say no, no, no. Now listen, I get up at 7 o'clock. I don't get up at 6 o'clock. Listen to that again. I get up at 7 o'clock. I don't get up at 6 o'clock. Can you say that? Good. I like coffee. I don't like tea. Now this is the word you need. I don't. Here it is. Okay. When you want to say that you like something, you say I like, I watch, I get, I go, I have, and so on. When you say no, 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 you cannot say I no like. This is no English. Okay, you have to say I don't like. The long form is I do not like coffee. In short, I don't like coffee. So let's go back. I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I don't have lunch at 1 o'clock. I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I don't have lunch at 1 o'clock. I drive home at 5 o'clock. I don't drive home at 6 o'clock. I don't drive. I don't go. I don't like. I don't have. And so on. Okay? So never say I not like, I not go. Always use the don't. But what about Henry now? You know Henry? Here's our Henry. This is Henry. Okay. Let's see when he gets up. You remember the S. He and she for Anne. You need the S. All right. The same also when you say no, no, no. So look, Henry likes tea. He doesn't like coffee. Henry likes tea. He doesn't like coffee. Now you say that, okay? Henry he likes tea. He doesn't like coffee. The S here is at the does, okay? He doesn't like. The long form is he does not like. He does not like coffee. But it's much better to say he doesn't like. I don't like coffee. You don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. When it's we, simple, it's don't again, you know? We don't like coffee. You don't like coffee, the two of you. And the Millers here, family, all the people, they don't like coffee. Okay, let's see this pattern here. Okay, I don't like, you don't like, he doesn't like, she doesn't like. Remember, he, she, and it needs the doesn't, not just don't. Don't is wrong here. Okay, so let's see, here's some sentences. I like coffee. I don't like tea. Okay. It's very important to remember this. So let's practice a little bit. I say you like coffee, and you say no, 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 no. I don't like. Okay. Here we go. You like coffee. No, I don't like coffee. Henry likes coffee. No, he doesn't like coffee. Okay? Henry drives a big car. No, Henry doesn't drive a big car. Now, this is for most verbs like I like, he likes. I go, he goes. He, Henry or Anne, takes a shower, takes something with the S. But you have words like watch. I watch television. I watch television. Here the S is not just watches, but it is watches. The end is watch, and so you need another syllable. Watches. I watch television, you watch television, he watches television, she watches television, we watch. No problem, okay? The same with wash, to wash the car, to wash your hands, okay? I wash my hands, you wash your hands. Listen, he washes his hands, and she washes her hands. He washes, she washes, washes, okay? It's because of the sh at the end, right? Okay, are you ready for a little exercise? Okay, you must read now. First you and then me, okay? Here you go. You see the sentence, I like coffee, and then the negative, I don't like coffee, okay? Now you read this. Henry likes coffee. Henry doesn't like coffee. Okay, now I say something about you, and you just say no. You drive a big, big Rolls Royce, and you say no, I don't drive a big Rolls Royce. I drive a Honda, okay? I don't drive a Rolls Royce, I drive a Honda, or a Ford, or an Opel, or a Mitsubishi, or whatever, okay? Right? So let's put that in positive and negative. I say, you read a book. No, I don't read a book. I read a newspaper. The newspaper, okay? The Times, the so on. Again, you read a book. Good. All right. What about eating? Okay. You eat bananas. And you like oranges, okay? No, I don't eat bananas. I eat an orange. I don't eat bananas. I eat an orange. Okay, let's drink something. Water and tea, okay? You drink water. I don't drink water. I drink tea, okay? So this is episode number 2. Easy, isn't it? Don't say no, no, no. I know like. You say I don't like, or he doesn't like. Okay? Write it all down a little bit. And I see you in episode number 3. Bye-bye.